So when you try to make a call, so to this method, it will know. So the compiler will know which method in this case, right? So there are two parameters we are passing. So one is double. So first data value is the double one, and second one is double one. So it will know which method to be invoked. That means here this method, because the other two methods data type is different. So other two methods, first method data type is int a int b, which is not equivalent to this, and second method is int a int b int c, this is not equal to this. Third method is this. So it will know in compile time itself which method to be called or invoked. So that is called overloading. And so here also, like in the above example, the first one, like sum of 2 comma 3, these two integer values we are passing, so it will know this method to be invoked. So then next to third one, three integer values are passing, so it will know this method will be called. So the compile time itself, Java no, that is called overloading. Okay, you can practice these programs. Are you starting, like the practicing the programs, or any questions in that?
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm
Okay.
trying, but yeah, sometimes
Yeah.
I'm copy.
Hmm.
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe it's my mistake, or I don't know. But sometimes not. It's not coming. But
Okay.
I will keep it up. No problem. I will ask
Okay.
you
Okay. Okay. Sure.
next time.
Spend more time, okay, on this
Yeah.
practice. And runtime polymorphism. So overriding. Overriding is like uh, so it is kind of like we can have the same method with the same parameters, but different inside the different implementation. Okay, so the same method. Suppose if it happens in parent and child class. Okay, so now inheritance, you all know, like child class can extend one parent class. So suppose assume that there is a bank class here. Bank is a parent class, or a super class. So bank class has one method, which is get rate of interest method, and it will return based on, like some conditions. If it is a 15-year product, return these, otherwise, like return something else. Okay, interest rate. So this is one bank class. Suppose let's assume that we have one more bank class, which is subclass. Okay, so one more bank class then extends. So bank class, Citibank extends bank, and so we can override. This is called like override. We can define the same method, which same method of superclass, and we can actually redefine. So we can redefine the parent class method into subclass. It is so here, if you look at the definition, right? So the parent class says return 3.5 interest rate if it is 50-year, but subclass says 3.75. So we are redefining the logic, okay, parent class method logic. So that is called function overriding, function, or like method overriding. And third one is like there's one more class also, like capital one extends bank, and this also you can basically override. So when you make a call, right, Citibank, when you create a Citibank object, when you make a call to get a rate of interest, which one it will call? Can you tell me here? When you pass, which one it will print? CB, like here, Citibank CB called new Citibank. I created Citibank object here. From the Citibank object, I am calling get rate of interest method. Okay, so this will call. So can you tell me output of this, any one of you? So can you tell me what it will print the output?
Mm,
Just read this. Try to understand
What was the
yeah.
question exactly?
what it will print here. Okay, this CB dot get rate of interest of 50 here. What it will print?
So already you given right the 15 years.
Hmm. What it will print? What I'll get the return?
The interest rate, right?
Yes.
Citibank.
Yeah.
Yeah, 15 years interest, right?
Yes. How much?
Uh, how
Just
much?
try to. Yeah. What is the return? 15-year
Because it's
interest rate.
getting inheriting from
Parent. Okay.
the parents, right?
Uh, Citibank class. Okay. Citibank.
Three,
I'm creating. Yeah. Which method here it will invoke? Can you share? Tell me, like
the 3 point over there. Yeah.
This one or this one?
This
Second one, right?
The second 3.75. So.
Yeah. So
yeah.
3.75. Yeah, it will return 3.7 because it will call this because Citibank, right?
Yeah.
I'm making a object of Citibank, and from Citibank object I am making the class. I'm actually making call for this method. We pass 15 year here. Okay, so it will check like product name is 15 or not. Return this value 3.75. So it will print 3.75 here. Okay, Citibank interest rate. So
Mhm.
the next one, right? Okay, so this is a capital one. Capital one, right? What is the class here? Capital one. So when you make a call, it actually call the super class method. That means this one. So it will print 3.5. Okay, practice this one. So you will get the idea. Okay, so that
Yeah.
same program you can copy and create the class and try to execute it in your computer. So these all practice also important, like in job time. So very important, so try to practice as much as possible the programs.
Yeah. My
Okay.
question is, I have a question now. We are calling from the down the here, right?
Yeah.
So we give the requirement at the top. So we
Yes.
are how it works like that always.
Yes, it's always like it will in the real time, right? Class would be anywhere, somewhere different. Okay, different place.
Mm-hmm.
It will call anywhere, like suppose.
Anywhere.
Yeah, anywhere it will call. Okay.
Okay, that's why I
Yeah.
confused. Yeah.
Yeah. So it will your class can be anywhere, sitting somewhere like in other package, other area. So that is thing. Okay. So let me
Okay.
show you how the real time would be. Yeah. So that is called. I will meantime it will open. I will show you like how where the class would be somewhere else in different package and all. Okay. So what you need to do right here in this for practice in this, create a bank file. Okay. Create or otherwise like create a program with file with the overriding. Create a file with overriding, and in the same class you can put all these class three classes and practice. Okay, so that you will know. So start doing something so that you'll have questions. Then I will guide you how to practice. These are very important basics to understand.
Yeah.
So is there any other sources like I can do like what you're doing here,
Hmm.
but
So other
this
sources only
I
videos,
feel
right?
like I memorize. What's that?
Videos which I'm sending. Videos.
Yeah, we do that. That's I would. But the thing is like, if I wanted to do different
Yeah,
different
Salem. First, I'm asking you to
yeah.
do whatever I'm doing first. Okay, practice what I'm
Oh
doing.
yeah, that we do.
Then,
That we
then
just
are you practicing that what I'm doing? Are you able to run the program?
the which this
The
what are you doing?
videos, right? Videos
The video
the
which you
programs
sending?
yes.
Yeah.
So, are you able to get the
I
output?
was
Are you able to get the output from Java programs?
so, some of them yes, some of them no. Because I honestly like I
I
know how
don't
to
I
do.
don't see you any one of you asking questions on the programs when you practice. You see what I'm talking? No
Yeah.
one, no one of you asking questions. None of you. So I feel like you're not practicing. Go through the video
No, we do.
every week. Okay, every week and practice. That's what I'm saying. Then you can think of different programs. First, you need to understand the actual. See, this all right. I show you last class. Are you able to
Yeah.
practice? Yeah.
Yeah. For example, now when I copy the whatever you give me,
Hmm.
just it's working, and I
Okay.
got from one link, I got to one exercise questions. So directly,
Okay.
I copied that question to my Eclipse.
Okay.
Then
Okay.
it's now working. I don't know.
Okay. So not working means when you try to like run the program here, right click and run, is it not
Oh
working?
yeah, maybe yeah. That's why I confused. Maybe
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
not
So
different.
what you
It's
need to do,
different.
right?
Or
So assume that this program, right? Okay. I showed you like this one. So now right click, run as. J-
yeah, yeah. I use that one for
have you
directly.
installed
What I
Java?
copy.
Have you installed Java?
Yeah, I did.
Okay. Okay. So
Whatever I copy from your material, it's working. But I
hmm,
got one question from one website here, same thing from
hmm,
Java.
hmm.
Then I copy to my Eclipse. Then
Okay.
it's not work. Oh, just I
Okay.
was thinking maybe I
Okay. Do
didn't I
practice and
didn't.
come up with questions tomorrow. Okay. More
No,
questions.
no,
Programming. Yeah, more program questions tomorrow. Like first half an hour, I will answer your programming questions. Share your screen and show me the problems, the programming. Okay, tomorrow.
Okay, yeah, okay.
Yeah. So let me go. Okay, this one. So this is overriding and runtime polymorphism. So this is like there is a in Java, right? So if you have any like parent class, okay, which is bank class, and then subclass if you have Citibank and Capital One. So if you have two subclass and one parent class here, so this you got it right. This is a parent class, and this subclass. Any
Yeah.
questions to understand these three classes? Any questions? You got it right, or what three classes?
Yeah,
we
subclass.
got it.
Not.
Chandra, can I
Yeah,
tell you something?
yeah, sure.
I feel like I don't know how to study, honestly. Like I know how to what you say, I got the concept, what you when you teach, I see the
Okay,
video.
Salem, can I ask one question? Are you going through the videos
Yeah.
which I'm sending you?
Yes, yes.
Every video have you gone through so far?
Of course. It's not I understand, but practically,
Okay,
like to do the practice one, like to
okay,
make it like happen. Like for example, now you do like class bank double. What do you do? I can copy and do yours. But
okay. Not this
myself,
one, not
I
this
don't know
one.
how to.
Okay, not this one. Okay, this one I didn't practice, but earlier, right?
No, I
This
mean
all
I'm giving you example. Just
okay.
others.
Okay, Salem, just bear with me. So what I'm saying,
Mhm.
these classes I actually practiced you right earlier. So one second. So the student, okay, the student class I
Yeah, we even like me and you, we got together and we did it. But
okay,
the problem is, I think we don't know how to uh, take other question and apply it. We can
okay.
copy paste from you, and we know how to do from what you're doing.
Hmm.
But you know what I mean?
Are you
If
getting
people,
output? What I'm getting? Are you
some of
getting? Yeah.
you got it. Me, I just some of them I didn't get it.
Okay.
Yeah. I was trying to get.
Okay.
Uh, yeah, some
So
already almost I got it.
That's
Almost
why I
most
don't.
of the question,
okay.
but
I don't know if I'm doing it right. That's
yeah,
that's the thing.
Okay. So you need to write. See. If my approach is right. Like when I don't understand, I ask so many questions. So many. Okay. I can't say I'm not getting it. Like I'll show what I'm not getting. I will show, okay,
Okay.
I created this student class, okay, and when I run this program, I'm getting some error message, okay. So I will show the problem and I will get as much as possible. Like, see, in this case, there's one problem I'm getting when I'm running the program. Okay, there's some error. Okay, you can ask me what is this error, right? I will help you. If you don't ask any questions, how will I know? That's what my point. I don't see you are asking questions. Ask more questions.
yeah,
Like
Chandra.
yeah.
Yeah, for example, yesterday I was trying and just he came like this error. Then
Mm,
just I deleted and one was just for example I put Shalomit in the EU and
mm.
just getting out because I'm trying to be familiar with the Eclipse.
Okay.
I think the main problem is how the we don't know how to access the Eclipse.
Eclipse.
I was
How to
thinking like
access
that.
the
Yeah,
Eclipse?
Eclipse.
Yeah, we did Visual Studio. No,
Yeah,
we it's a new we have new with a program,
Eclipse. Yeah,
Okay. Okay.
Eclipse.
Eclipse,
Okay.
and we tried
So
to figure it
today,
out. It took
today what
us
I will
long
do?
time.
Today what I will do? One of your computer. Okay, I will access now. After this, like this Zoom is ending. So this second Zoom session, what I will do? I will access one of your computer. So I think yours, right? You have issue, right? Slow with You have
Yeah,
insurance.
use much faster. Mine is
I will get the access and I'll show you how to run from his computer. Okay, some programs. Okay, that will help you. Is that okay
Okay.
or no?
Yeah, yeah, it's okay. Yeah.
Yeah. So that
yeah.
will. That's what you don't need to wait for me. Ask more questions in practicing. Like I'm talking like this. So what I'm teaching, you're understanding theory, but practically also you have to understand how it works when you run the program. That's my point. So that you learn the things. Otherwise, I keep talking. You just understand. Next class you'll come and yeah, that's okay. So I will send you new Zoom request in 5 minutes so that I'll get access of your mission and I will show you. Okay. Yeah, I'm
Okay.
stopping this meeting now.
Yeah, okay, stop.
Yeah.